In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons side by side Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted two clear calls to action next to each other, like Shop Now and Learn More, Mailchimp makes this easy with its built-in layout blocks. We'll keep things simple and make sure the result looks clean on desktop and still reads well on mobile. Start by heading to Mailchimp.com. Once you're in your account and looking at the dashboard, go to Campaigns. This is where all your emails live. Find a draft campaign you want to update so we're not changing anything that's already been sent. Open that draft and choose Edit to get into the campaign settings. From there, click Edit Design to launch the email builder. Inside the builder, look for the layout options. Under Blank Layouts, select the two-column layout. This block creates two equal sections side by side, which is exactly what we need for a pair of buttons. Drag that two-column block onto your design and drop it exactly where you want the buttons to appear, above a section of text, under a hero image, or between content blocks. You can reposition it later if you change your mind. Now add the buttons. From the content panel, grab a button block and drag it into the left column, then grab another button block and drop it into the right column. That's the whole trick. Each button sits in its own column, so they appear next to each other on desktop. In the button settings, give each one a clear label and set the destination link. Keep the labels short so the buttons can sit comfortably side by side. For a polished look, use the same font, size, padding, and border radius for both. Center alignment inside each column usually looks best. A couple of quick design tips to help your buttons stand out without clashing with the rest of your email. Choose a background color with enough contrast against the text for accessibility, add consistent top and bottom spacing so the buttons breathe, and avoid making them full width, which would break the side-by-side effect. Remember that many mobile inboxes stack columns vertically, so even though they're side-by-side on desktop, they may appear one above the other on phones. That's normal and helps readability. And that's it. By dropping a two-column layout into your design and placing one button in each column, you can present two clear actions in a balanced, professional way.